Alright, so today we're learning Oh You Praise by Elevation Worship and Chandler. Let's get straight into it. So this song is in the key of F major. Alright, so F is our 1, G is our 2, A is our 3, B flat is our 4, C is our 5, 6, D is our 6, E is our 7, back to our 1 again, okay? So while I'm referring to chords, I'll be referring to them in numbers. So I do teach using the number system, and I think every musician should know the number system because of how powerful it is, all right? So here we go. The introduction starts off with you using both hands. So your left hand is gonna be on F and C, while your right hand is going to be primarily using F, A, C, and D. Okay, so here we go. This is the first movement. Right, so all I did was F, and then I added these 3 notes in afterwards. So F, and then I added F, C, and A. So again. I'll show you one more time, then I move on. Okay, and then the next movement is, so I hit the the C really quickly with my pinky. And then same thing, but my left hand is moving down to E flat, which is it's a flat 7. Again, one more time. I'll show you from the beginning. 2, 3, 5, 7. To the 4. That's the intro right there, okay? Verse. Same thing. Same thing. Now the chords change to, because I owe you. Here's our 2 chord, which is really a G minor 7 chord, right? So in my left hand I have G, right hand I have B flat, D, and F. Oh, you my praise. And I land on the 4 here, which is just a regular B flat major chord. Verse again. So really, the piano is not even doing the melody. I just felt like doing the melody. But essentially what you're going to do is a 1 chord. Praises, oh Lord, you deserve. And then a 6 chord. This is how I like to play my 6 chords. When I play a 6, I play it as a 6 minor 7. Essentially, a 6 would just be a regular minor chord. But I like to add this note in there and turn it into a minor 7 chord. That's just how I like to play it. So here we go. Praises, oh Lord, you deserve. Oh Lord, 4, which is our B major chord. Praises. Okay, cool. After that, there's an interlude. And essentially what I'm doing is just a 1 chord, which is the same as the chorus, 6, and then 4. Verse. to go over that again because you just learned the verse. So I'll move on. After the verse is the chorus again, and then after the chorus we have the interlude before the bridge, right? Which is essentially the same chords. And this is the part where they say, when I think of all you. Bridge. Are you done? When I think of all you. It's just the 1, 6, 4. When I think of all you. After you do that a few times, they move to the second part of the bridge. A little more time. Alright, here's the second part of the bridge. For the ways that you have made and the price that you have paid. Alright, here we go. This is the actual chord. I'll start from the beginning of bridge 2. For the ways that you have made. This is a flat 7 chord, which is just an E flat major chord. This chord is new. We're introducing this chord, which is actually a 4/6. So the reason why this is a 4/6 is because in my right hand I have a 4 chord, right, which is essentially just a B flat major. When I say over 6, it's over the 6 in my left hand. Okay, so 4/6. So again, bridge 2. For the ways that you have made, flat 7, and the price that you have paid, the mercies every day, 2, 4. So remember, our 2 is going to be a 2 minor 7. One more time. For the ways that you are flat 7, and the price that you have paid. 4/6, C's every day. That's why and then essentially they do that over and over again until they go back to the chorus again. And when they go back to the chorus actually change one time before going back to the normal progression that I just taught you guys. So that's why chorus praises, so Lord. And instead of going to a regular 6, we're going to that 4/6 that I just showed you. And then the next chord is going to be a 5/7. Again, the reason why it's a 5/7 is because in my right hand I'm playing a 5 chord, which is just a C major, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's what you see my left hand. So again, chorus 2, 3, 4. Oh Lord, you deserve 4/6, 5/7, and then back to normal 6. Oh Lord, you deserve all mine. And that's essentially the whole song right there. Pretty easy to learn. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial, guys. I really appreciate all the love. Continue to give suggestions. Hopefully I'll be able to get to your song soon, and also share this with somebody you know who would love to learn this song.